Hi Leos, this is your next 10 days reading. So I will take the day today, that is the 11th of September to the 20th of September. I'll see the energies of which are you, which are coming in to affect you, which will be in front of you and around you. You'll have to take care in these circumstances, and I will give you the tips how you are going to deal with these energies which are coming in. So before I start your reading, I will read out a card from the Angels Oracle deck, which can be your mantra for the next 10 days. And let's see what your angels have got for you, what they are telling you. So let's read it out. It's saying that this card fell out for you when I prayed for you and got out the card. So it's saying cooperation instead of competition. What's yours is yours, and no one can take it from you. There's no need to compete, as there's an abundance for all. You have complete access to unlimited abundance for yourself and to share with others. With cooperative partnerships, you can accomplish anything. So, this is your card, cooperation instead of competition. This is your mantra for the next 10 days. So, let's go on to your tarot energy, the energies which the tarot are depicting. So, the first energy which I see is of the star. So beautiful energy to get in the beginning of the reading. This means that you will be having hope and optimism regarding any situation you are in. You will be in this healing mode. Maybe you had gone through some crisis in the past, so you are now in a healing mode. Maybe you had some illness, so you will be recuperating, you will be recovering. I see that you are very positive about your goals, your life, your extension of your thoughts. Everything is very positive. So I see this happening because of the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is also Leo energy. It is also energy of a fire sign. This means that you are going to get lot of messages. You are going to get opportunities. You are going to get feedback from the universe. Whatever you are putting into the universe, it will come back with a positive response. So you are looking towards a positive phase in your life with the star and the Eight of Wands. So the passion is flying for you, messages are exchanged, you are traveling and meeting someone, meeting your loved one, or you are reuniting. You are getting positive feedbacks, you are getting contracts, you are getting job opportunities. So it is a good situation for you right now. So however, as you go forward in these 10 days, you will see that there is this devil energy which is coming in. This could be your addictions, this could be some toxic relationship, this could be your dependence on something. So you are attached to something. So this could be a relationship, this could be your job, this could be a bad job, this could be something which is troubling you, something which is not good for you. However, sometimes devil energy is not very apparent. Devil energy sometimes doesn't show itself. So it can be an invisible energy, but this you have to detect yourself, see what is causing you problems, what is giving you trouble, what is giving you sleepless nights, what is making you think about something obsessively. So this could be an obsession, this could be an addiction, this could be an illness, this could be something which is hidden from you, but it is chaining you. So for some of you it is apparent, for some of you it is not apparent. So for some of you it has happened, for some of you it will be happening. So this devil energy is happening because of maybe a love situation, because I see the King of Cups. The King of Cups energy is of love which is unexpressed, love which is there but is unexpressed. This could be someone who is from the water sign, could be a Scorpio, could be a Pisces or a Cancer. This person is not expressing love to you. This can be causing you lot of obsessive thinking about this person, or you are attached to this person. You can be attached to a love which is forbidden, maybe you can be attached to something toxic which is causing lot of trouble for you, or this could be something, some addiction which is very very close to your heart, which you are passionate about and you are not able to leave it, or you cannot detach from it. So this can be anything. So this is causing a bit of trouble and it is making you stuck in the head, because I see the reverse hangman. This could be a Piscean. This person is causing you lot of stress and strain in your life. You are maybe this is a significant partner, significant other for you. This person is causing you a bit of worry, bit of it could be a kid who is causing you worry. So this can be anything for you. So this is causing some problem for you within the next 10 days. I see that you feel like a wounded warrior with the 9 of Wands. You feel that you are a victim. You feel that you cannot get out of it because you have to pursue it. You are pursuing it. You are not giving up on it, and you are feeling like a victim. So this is also a situation which is coming in. This is coming because of competition. Maybe you are in a competition, or you are in some struggling energy, you are in a conflicting energy which is not good for you, but it is there. The weakness here I see is of the King of Cups. The King of Cups here also, it's coming in the weakness position. This means that love is not being expressed correctly, or something which you love, or something which you are addicted to, something which you are obsessing about is causing you worry. I also see that there can be negative communication for some of you with the Magician in the weak point. There could be some treacherous person who is around you, some trickery, some dishonesty is taking place around you, which is causing you to be in the victim mode. But I see that soon the time is coming when the 10 of Swords situation is going to be reversed. Meaning 10 of Swords means that you feel backstabbed, you feel that you have been taken advantage of, you have been cheated upon, but this situation is going to be reversed by you as the 10 days get over, as you get into by the 20th or by the 30th, within 20th to 30th, you will see that your situation is changing. You are reversing these effects of the for you. There are other energies as well, which is of the moon. Moon means that things which you want to see is unclear. There is illusory energy, some illusions are there. This is also being enhanced by the 7 of Cups. This means that there are a lot of choices in front of you. You cannot pick out which one to do. Maybe there are jobs, maybe there are people, partners, or lovers. Someone is overpowering your situation, or you are seeing you are in a kind of illusion. So that illusion is there because your path is not illuminated. You cannot see clearly when the moon is around. So this could be a Cancerian. So there is this problem, and you are feeling a bit depressed about it. You are in the 8 of Swords mode. You are feeling stuck, you are feeling imprisoned, and you are feeling trapped. So these energies are there, but by the end of these 10 days you will see reversing all these energies which are causing some negative issues in your life, because I see your crowning energy. Ultimately, crowning energy is important. Crowning energy is of 9 of Cups. This means wish fulfillment. Some wishes will be fulfilled despite these problems, despite these issues around you, despite some toxicity around you. Your wishes will be fulfilled and you will feel liberated by the end of the 10 days. I see the 3 of Cups here. 3 of Cups could be a third party relationship. 3 of Cups can be an extramarital. 3 of Cups can be some others who are there in negative. If it is a positive thing which is happening for you, this means you will be having a victory over your obstacles. You will be celebrating with your friends. You will be getting out of the mode of toxicity, and you will be able to heal yourself and see optimism, because in the beginning we had seen the star. So the star and the three of cups are a good combination. This means that you see optimistic, you are positive, you are optimistic, and you see that growth and happiness will happen for you, and you are celebrating because of a certain victory. And the victory is, clarified by the sun and the lovers. So there will be a choice which you will make. With the lovers, it means that you will make a choice. You will make a choice to get out of this devil energy. You will make a choice to reverse the 10 of swords, get out of, the energy of being imprisoned or trapped, because the swords energies are always mental energy. So mental energy is something, if you work on your mind, you can always get out of it. So if you are not stuck in your mind, because this energy, if it is not a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Pisces energy, this person is you. So this King of Cups and this reverse hangman could be your energy, meaning you are not thinking straight. You are not you are feeling weak in a certain situation of love. You are feeling, because of your love and emotions, you are feeling weak, and the devil is chaining you with a certain person, or you are becoming codependent. So you will get out of this energy, because I see you will be making a choice regarding your love life, or a significant job, or a business, or a partnership. You will make a decision regarding that, Leos, and you will be able to come out of any problem or any struggle, because the sun is shining on you. There is joy and happiness, there is optimism, there is recovery from bad times, there is recovery and healing. If it was an illness, you will be recovering from it. You will be in good health and vigor. You will be able to take your life challenges better, because the moon was saying that the path is not illuminated, but with the sun your path will get the light and clarity which you want to see. So finally you are getting into a good situation, but there could be struggles in the next 10 days, but you will be able to overcome it. So this is from me for you for the next 10 days, Leo. If you have liked this reading and you have resonated, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.